Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to reset a user password in Google Ad Manager. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google Ad Manager. On the sign-in page, enter your email address and click Next. If you do not remember your password, click on Forgot Password. Google will guide you through account recovery. Enter the last password you remember, or choose Try Another Way. Depending on your account setup, you may be asked to confirm with a recovery email, a text message, or your mobile device. Follow the prompts until you can create a new password. After verifying that it is your account, Google will allow you to reset your old password. Just type the new password and confirm it by typing it one more time below, and that's it. After the password is updated, the user can return to Google Ad Manager and sign in with the new details. That is how you reset a password for yourself or another user in Google Ad Manager. Thanks for watching.